Hello, everyone. Trudy here with Heal, Wellness, and Therapy. And today I want to teach you about essential oils and sleep. Specifically, I want to show you two awesome ways that you can use essential oils to help improve your sleep. One, as a spray, or it could simply be the way you use a diffuser. The second, as a topical, where you would apply it to your skin, either with an oil, a lotion, or whatever. Now, what oils are so important relative to research to aid sleep? Number one, lavender. Now, we know with multiple studies that are randomized control trials, as well as something known as a meta-analysis, which means studies on studies have shown us the efficacy of lavender to improve sleep latency. Now, sleep latency in our normal wording is that you're falling asleep faster. So when someone uses lavender, either in the shower, the bath, as a lotion, or some way in your bedroom in a diffuser or spray way, it will actually help you fall asleep a little bit faster than if you didn't use lavender at all. The second essential oil that I want to talk about is peppermint. Very specifically, when used in combination with lavender, has been shown in a cool new 2020 randomized control trial to improve your quality of sleep. Now, here's what this research did. They took cardiac patients and they compared individuals that used lavender and peppermint when they slept versus one that they didn't. And what they showed in this randomized control trial was that individuals that used lavender and peppermint showed an improvement in their quality of sleep, how well they slept through their sleep cycles, how well they rested, and how well they recovered. So stick with me and let me show you how to mix and use these essential oils to aid your sleep. So we're going to begin with a topical application. So when it comes to using essential oils on your skin, you always want to use some sort of oil, lotion, or cream rather than directly applying the essential oils to your skin. I'm going to use a 10 milliliter bottle today. And for every milliliter that I'm going to use of a fractionated coconut oil as the oil that's going to be with my essential oils, I'm going to use 1 drop of each of my lavender and my peppermint. So when I am making a simple topical, it's a 1-to-1 ratio to the number of milliliters of the bottle that I'm using. 10 milliliters, 10 drops of lavender, 10 milliliters, 10 drops of peppermint. As I add the oils to whatever bottle you're using, it could be 5, 10, 15, or you could just be combining it with your lotion or cream. You always want to keep that 1-to-1 ratio like they did in the study that I was referencing earlier. Then once you have your oil in your bottle, you just top it up with whatever medium you're using with your essential oil. Today I'm using fractionated coconut oil because it blends and combines the best, and better yet, it super absorbs into your skin. Once you have your oil done, all you need to do, shake it up, open up the oil, and you're ready to apply it to your skin and go to bed. Now, one last tip before we leave a topical application. There are a couple of areas on your body that do better with application of lavender or lavender and peppermint. And those are your touch points. The common touch points that are used relative to aiding sleep are behind your ear, to the wrist area, as well as your big toe. So, a topical application, 1-to-1 ratio, use some sort of carrier oil, cream, or lotion, and have a good night's sleep. The second method I want to show you is a room spray. Again, you could simply use a diffuser if you want to purchase a diffuser, but the benefit of a room spray is it can go with you when you travel. That's why I like them. This is a 15 milliliter bottle, so I'm going to do, once again, 1-to-1 ratio of my lavender and peppermint, 15 drops to a 15 milliliter bottle, and I'm counting as I'm talking to you. That's quite the skill, isn't it? Once I have 15 drops of lavender, I'm then going to add 15 drops of peppermint. Once I have both of the essential oils into the 15 milliliter bottle, then all I need to do is fill it up. Now, because this is not going on your skin, no need to have a carrier oil. Instead, what you want to use is some sort of liquid like water, distilled water, pure water, tap water, whatever works for you, and just slowly fill it up to the top of your 15 milliliter bottle. As you do so, when you're using water with oils, it's important to understand that you will need to shake it every time that you spray it. Once you have your bottle done, give it a little shake, and it is ready to use as a room spray. So there you have it. Easy ways to use essential oils to aid sleep, both as a topical or as a room spray. Remember, when you use lavender, it will help you fall asleep faster. When you use the combination of lavender with peppermint, it will not only help you fall asleep faster, but it will also improve the quality of your sleep. Now, if you like this video, reminder, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.